Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just a quick update because we see a few red candles here and I wanted to do a second one anyway. Yeah, basically there are two, I only want to focus on the short term now. There are really only two scenarios I'm watching here in the very short term. They are both bullish, however, yeah. It really depends now on whether the price can hold here, this support region, especially the $107.35 level. If you have two scenarios and they both actually are bullish, always ask, what is the line in the sand? What is the level that distinguishes between the two? And well, let's first of all take a look at the yellow count. Obviously, yellow count suggests that we have our 1-2 set up here. This was the wave 1, which is the first wave of an uptrend. Here, that was on the 30th of January, wave 2 low on the 6th of February. And then here, this A wave and the B wave pullback. And then we could already be in the C wave to the upside. In the previous video, I highlighted to you that to keep this alive, this scenario, the B wave low needs to hold, and that is at around $105.40. That B wave, however, was quite shallow, so it could easily also reset a little bit lower. It's just that below $107.35, this wave count, as it is shown here in yellow, will become less likely, and it will be invalidated, yeah, below that $105.40 level. What could happen then? What if we see invalidation? Well, if we see invalidation, so first of all, maybe let's talk about what would be needed to confirm this count. Well, as I said, we need to hold the support levels I just indicated, and we need to see the price break back above wave 1. That would be initial confirmation that we've bottomed. At the moment, we haven't bottomed yet, or at least there is no evidence. So a break above that wave 1 high at around about $115 would be good confirmation that a third wave to the upside is unfolding. However, if we break that level, I will start to explore whether this is the B wave still, just that the B wave is just sort of, resetting a little lower. That's possible as long as this low is not broken to the downside. So it could technically be yellow wave B below the so it could be yellow wave B until the price breaks below basically $93, this 6th of February low. Okay, so it's just a question, which B wave is it? In the orange count, it's just a different assumption, larger A, B, C, okay, where the entire move up from the 23rd of January low is an A wave. So that is just a different larger degree assumption, and it would be A wave, B wave, C wave. And really, what really counts is that the price holds the $86.18 level also in this orange scenario. Yeah, I also can't tell you which one it is. I'd like to see yellow actually play out. It would be a little bit clearer. And to be honest, I don't mind if the wave B was already in or if we get a lower wave B. If we get a lower wave B, then it's very simple. Then we've got an A, B, C structure and then could still move up, no problem. The only question is, which B is it? To be or not to be? That's the question. But first of all, I mean, we have some levels to watch very, very directly here. And this is the assumption that will be, that will be tested first. So it really depends on the last two fib levels here, $107.35 and $108.92. To sketch it out again for you, if the market, different scenarios, if the market turns around here, breaks above the wave 1 high at $115, the yellow count is confirmed and we're moving up in wave 3. This would be the most bullish scenario I've got available. However, a break below 107.35 is likely going to be followed by a break below the $105.40 level. And we could then reset the B wave a little lower, find still support in this region. If that happens, the ideal target for yellow wave B would be the 100% extension. Okay, that's only at 102.32. Could also go a little lower, 99.57 or 95.28. Those are three levels to watch then. And from here, the market could then could then turn around and start wave C to the upside. It is also possible though, if we break below that 105.40 level and we enter the orange box, that it's a larger A, B, C structure. In reality, these two will be different or difficult to distinguish in the short term. But all scenarios at the moment that I'm observing in the short term are bullish, as long as we hold above $86.18. So hopefully that gives you some key levels to watch. Well, it should do. There's also some structural support here at $103.70, this previous swing low, but that is not so important from an Elliott wave perspective. And then, yeah, I mean, targeting here this larger third wave, we mentioned the target in the previous video, should be around $140 plus, and this entire move up would ideally target $190 plus, and it will be it can be reached in the yellow count or the orange count. It's just that in the orange count, the ABC structure I've shown here might just be the larger A wave of a larger ABC, and then we get another B, C. So it will be a bit more messy, that that orange count. So hopefully we can avoid it, but yeah, that is only the market will decide that. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.